What's going on, guys? In today's video, I have a great example of how news affects stock prices. So without any further ado, we're going to get right into it. Welcome to SwapSuite. SwapSuite is a place, an educational platform, as you could say, your number one place for getting information on education, right? And we're also talking about options as well as day trading. We're going to be talking about a lot of stuff on here, trading stocks. We're going to be talking about financial education and everything like that. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, we're going to be having new videos every week out here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. Share this channel with your friends so then you can be updated on more information, especially if you're, younger crowd or older crowd and you want to know basics of, financial education, the things that they don't teach you in school. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We're going to get right into it. So today, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we are talking about how news affects stock prices and how you can profit from this, right? Today we had Amazon, not Amazon, we had Apple, right? Apple stock prices basically shot up today after the WWDC announcements of artificial intelligence being uh, playing a role. So we were up. The stock price just continued just shooting up today, up 7% on the day, and that's the highest it's been. It's been at all time. Today marked the day that it crossed all time highs. So I kind of want to show you guys that and show you exactly how like news affects stock prices and stuff like that. So if we're on the Apple chart here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on the daily candle stick chart. And basically, I'm going to zoom out and show you guys. So you guys, if you can see down here, these are like the time frames. So this is 2022 down here, 2023 over here, and then we have 2024. Look at this, guys. This is exactly what I wanted to show you right here. Let me actually draw it out. So if you can see this, what happened? So this was a great example of a news catalyst affecting a stock's price. So what happened? So let's go to, I'm gonna go to this article from, I guess this is CBS News. That have popped up. You can do any type of research that you want. You can go online, just type in like news and Apple. If you're following any stocks or Instagram channels or anything like that, a lot of the time you'll even on X you'll get updated on information about like different stocks and stuff like that and what's going on. So WWDC Apple announced its Apple Intelligence. I guess that's what they're calling it. And so, following this event, they showcased everything that they had coming up, the new technologies and stuff like that. So, following that, you guys can see how it reflected in the stock price shooting up. We may see a continuation up here based off the technicals. As everyone knows, Apple is a very strong company. Apple has, great balance sheet, all of that. So you know that you're not investing in a shitty company or anything like that. This is, a solid company and stuff. So um, that's that. And then, so let's go to the news. So I basically just searched up, Apple News or whatever, and you can, if you search that up, this is a part of fundamental analysis too. So let's read what exactly happened. It says, Cook, with Tim Cook, Apple CEO, announced that the company is calling Apple Intelligence or its version of AI enhanced capabilities that will expand services such as its Siri voice assistants as well as other apps. The company said it's working with OpenAI to integrate its ChatGPT access into its upcoming software releasing, including iOS 18, iPad OS 18, and Mac OS. So that's I guess the news that got everybody excited about this, right? Saying that Apple is partnering with OpenAI, which OpenAI, how they work with ChatGPT and everything like that. Um, so I guess that's gonna be worked into the Apple iPhones, the iPads, and stuff like that. So I guess everybody got excited off of that. It's kind of scary in a way, but that's the future and stuff like that. So it says the new AI service is designed to be intuitive and personalized as well as built with privacy in mind. Cook noted Apple won't collect data. Okay, so this is what Apple says all the time. They won't collect your data. They won't do this and that, but they still do collect your data and stuff. Um, Apple won't collect data on users as consumers rely on the new AI services to answer questions, search personal data. But basically, it makes life easier for people, which at this point, my thoughts and ideas on this is like, I don't know if anybody else has the same idea, but it's like, yes, life can be easier, but we are okay as how technology is right now. I don't think we really need any improvements on technology and stuff like that. Um, but it's like, okay, yeah, things just get easier and easier and easier and easier and easier to do. To what point? To what extent? That's my little rant on that. So let's continue. It says the new AI will work across all apps, tapping personal data to help users. So it's like, how kind of like Siri listens in on you. You could say, hey Siri, and you can, blah, blah. Um, and then even think about the eyewear that they have too, right? So that's it's gonna be crazy coming up. Such it's going to help users find specific information such as photos or emails. For instance, you'll be able to ask your phone to search for photos that will only include yourself and a parent. Apple's AI will also be able to suggest options for writing, rewriting emails. I saw that in the WWDC event. Um, Create images based on what you can send. um, Apple is introducing something called Gen Emoji, which will create custom emoji based on this description, such as a dinosaur or surfboard on a surfboard. That's pretty cool. New emojis. The new AI service will be game changer. Yeah, so all of this is basically showing you that Apple is continuing to innovate, right? Which reflects on companies' stock price. And investors want to basically get in. So that's basically how um, news affects stock price. Sometimes you'll have a positive news and the stock will go down only to rebound. So if it goes down, you just basically buy the dip. So this is basically what happened on the day here. Let me let me go. Let's see. Yes, this is basically what happened today. This morning, it shot up. Overall, let's see how many dollars. 993 from, let's say, 93 to, yeah, like $10 on a day, $10+ on a day, moved up $10. That's insane. So honestly, here you could have just bought the dip and just continued upward. I did. I believe I got in. I got in multiple positions here on Apple. I got in somewhere here. We continued going up. but I got out just because, you know, you're trading. I got in here. I believe I got in like here at this support that was created, and then I kind of let that ride. So you can really, bank on these things, especially if they hold structure. It's above VWAP and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in these types of videos or actually going into detail on technical analysis, I did make a video on fundamental analysis, how to go into Yahoo Finance and look at the company's financials and everything like that. That's another part of the thesis. So there's a lot of moving parts to it, and to making like educated decisions on which stocks to buy, which stocks to stay away from, and everything like that. So hopefully this video kind of gave some value. If you think it did give you any value, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel again. We will be posting a lot of more videos on here. Give me your comments. What did you think? What did you think about the WWDC event? Right, and also, um, you know, let me know. So yeah, that was it. That's all I wanted to share here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.